If you're moving out of an apartment and you want to save a little bit of money on fixing on things, you'll see that I've got a butter knife in my hand there, and I'm taking that rubber gasket, that black thin rubber gasket there, and you can see I'm pressing it with that butter knife in between the metal space of the screen frame and the screen itself. You see there, taking the edge and just pushing it. My daughter had pressed against the screen and it popped out. But if you want to save yourself a little money, instead of just expecting the apartment complex to fix it, this is a do-it-yourself method, and it's fairly easy. You just have to work at it a little bit. You can see there I'm stretching it out to adjust it and fix it so that it fits tightly. But if you continue to work at it, see there, see it's pressing in fairly smoothly now. And you just slowly and deliberately squeeze on it with the butter knife and apply pressure. And you keep repeating this process to the degree that you need to. And hopefully you'll find yourself being able to fix the screen. So you just pull the screen tightly and then apply pressure with that butter knife between the metal that's holding the spring or holding the screen and the metal of the frame of the screen door itself. Hope this helps. Give it a shot and save yourself a little bit of money.